guys, I want to show you how the MetaTrader 5 platform is and its functions. When you click to your MetaTrader 5, the first thing you see some three dots up there. See where I've clicked. So there you decide, you click. When you click from there, you choose manage accounts. When you take manage accounts, there is a plus on the screen. This is to add a new account. If I take this plus, I'm trying to add a new account. If it's a demo account under this very MetaTrader, I can just take MetaQuote software. But if it's not, I'll have to go to find broker. I will have to go to find broker and I will enter my broker's name. I told you a broker is a trading company. Like for example, I've entered FXTM. So from there, you enter, and next time I will show you how, when we create accounts, I will show you how to log in with your broker. But now let's say I am into the app already. Sorry for this delay. I don't know what's really going on. So sorry for the delay. So these are my accounts. The accounts I've logged into this place. Let's say now I take this a demo account. If you look up there, you will see demo. So I'm going in there to start showing you. Okay, when I log in, the first thing you will see a list of things written like EUR, USD. These are currency pairs here. When you look here, you see currency pairs. In front of them, you see some figures like 1.1440, 1.1440. Now when these figures are turning blue from here, from this first page, when they're turning, if you look at them, they keep turning blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. When they're bluing, it means it's moving in an upward direction, and when they're going red, it means it is selling. But this one really happens pretty fast, so there is no need trying to consider it from here. So if you look here, there is a figure written 1.1440 and there is 1.1441. Okay, looking at this, well, this right here, that euro USD is called a currency pair. In front of the currency pair, there are prices. We call them the bid and the ask price. These prices are the prices you should look at when you are either selling or buying. So these are the few things. When you want to add a currency pair, at the top of your screen there is a plus. You click the plus and then you pick the kind of pair you want, because under Forex we trade pairs, we trade Forex pairs, we trade metals like gold, we trade crypto like BTC, we trade indices, we trade commodities and a lot of things. But I'm going to limit you to Forex. So you can go, after clicking this plus, you go to Forex and you click a few currency pairs that you want to add. How do you add them? You just scroll it up like Euro JPY. I just click on it and it's added automatically to my chart. GBP Canadian, GBP JPY, all this. So you just click on that. And then if you want to delete any currency pair, because it's not every currency pair you can analyze and trade, you need to trade just a few pairs. Okay, so you use that pen, looks like a pen there, icon, and then anyone you don't like, you click that delete button, click the ones you don't like, and then you delete them. When you delete, it doesn't leave your phone, but it will leave your chart, meaning these ones will have only the currencies you want to trade. We mostly trade, and we have major pairs and we have minor pairs. Major pairs are pairs like euro dollar, Great British pound dollar, USD JPY. All these other pairs are minor pairs, gold, USD. So this is the first page of the MetaTrader 5. The next, you see something written down here. This is your chart. Okay, when you open here, you go to your chart. When you open there, that's when you open the next, you see your charts. From your charts, you see an arrow here. This one shows your trades. If you have trades running in the market and you click this third arrow, this middle one, you will see the trades. Like, this is a demo account, so I can do anything. This is not my trading account. Let's say I just placed a trade. I say it's a demo. So now when I place it, I move here and I see my trade. And then when I close a trade, I move there and I see the close. That's a demo account, please. Then this is where I monitor. This is the history. Okay, this is the history where I go to see the trades I've already closed. And then here I go to check on news, like they always give us some news updates. And here is for charts, which is really not very necessary. So let's come back here. When you see a pair, these are so many pairs on your screen, but you cannot trade all of them at once. So you analyze a few of the pairs. We are going to get to analysis soon. So let's say I want to analyze pound dollar. All I need to do is to press and hold, and then I will click on the charts. Okay, I will click on charts, and then when I click on charts, they're going to open the pair for me. Just watch that. As I click on charts, the pairs will be open for me. Okay, I hope you're seeing that the charts have been open. And in the chart, when I touch the middle, something comes out that is round like that. And if you look at it, you see like M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, MN. So this M1 stands for 1 minute. M5 stands for 5 minutes, M15 stands for 15 minutes, M30 stands for 30 minutes, H1 stands for 1 hour, H4 stands for 4 hours, D1 stands for 1 day, W1 stands for 1 week, and MN stands for the month. Okay, so now it means when I click M1, as I've just done, it means I'll be seeing candles on my chart. All these candles I'm seeing, each candle is formed within the space of 1 minute. That's the meaning of a 1 minute M1 chart. Okay, if you look up there, you see GBP, USD, M1. Meaning any candle you see here is formed within the space of a single minute. If I go to M5, okay, these are the M1 is a lower time frame, so it starts from the lowest to the highest. When I go to M5, sorry for that delay, it's a network issue. When I go to M5, meaning each candle you see has been formed after 5 minutes. When I go to M15, same story. If I go, meaning each candle you see is formed after 15 minutes. M30 is each candle is formed after 30 minutes. H1 gets its formation, like all the candles you will see are formed after 1 hour, meaning every single candle here you see, it took an hour for it to be formed. If you go to 4 hour to H4, every single candle you're seeing in the H4 chart was formed within an hour. Same with the 1 day and 1 week. When you see 1 day is formed after a day, when you see 1 week it's formed after a week, when you see 1 month like this 1 month, you see any candle you see here took 1 month to be formed. Okay, so as a trader you have to use one of these time frames to analyze the market. When you go to M1, you see market moving very fast, going up, down, up, down. But when you go to M5, it still moves, but not like M1. And then if you go to M15, there is a difference. As you move up, you see it reduces the way it moves. So as traders, we always do our analysis, and you don't just go. I've seen some people who are like, oh, you're asking us to sell, but market is going up. No, they're looking at it in a lower time frame. They're just seeing a blue candle and they don't know what is happening. But in the higher time frame, it's actually going down. So we use different time frames to do our analysis. At the top of the screen, you will see a little plus. This plus I gave you the other day. I used that plus to calculate pips. Okay, I showed you that when you click the plus, a cross is placed on your screen. You can move the cross to where you want to enter. Let's say I move the cross to where the market is currently at, and then I press it and hold from both ends and move it. As I'm moving it like palm, I've made 40 pips. Okay, that's a move of 40 pips. If I want to sell it, I should be sure that I'm maybe trying to chase just 40 pips in the market. So that's the use of that. If you don't know it, please go to the other video. Go to the other video and check my analysis from there. If you look again, you see an F. This F is for we use this F to add indicators. When we get to the indicator, I will tell you much about that. We use that to put in indicators. These indicators help us to signify whether market is buying or selling. So we are going to study that. When you see this thing that looks like a dollar, the dollar sign there, you can actually click it to pick currency pairs. When you see these windows, you can split. You can actually split your screen to have maybe 2 different trades on the screen so that you can monitor 2 of them. Okay, and then when you see that box with a plus, is the place where we place trades. When you click that, it means you want to open a trade, either a buy or a sell order. And then when you want to trade, please, you people should follow me. I'm saying a lot of stuff, but all of this is necessary. When you want to trade, okay, you click this plus, this window up there, and it goes to a page like this. It unfolds a page like this to you. So when you come to this page, most people don't know what to do. If you look from the top, you see GBP USD. For me to know the exact currency pair I'm opening, I want to trade. You see instant execution, and then there's a small drop down window at this end. Okay, so now when you click the drop down window, you see different things that are being given. You see an instant execution, you see buy limit, you see sell limit, you see buy stop, you see sell stop, you see buy stop limit, you see sell stop limit. Okay, and then from there, if you come down to the middle here, you will see some figures written with negative 0.1 to the left, as negative 0.01, then 0.01, and then positive 0.01 and positive 0.1. Okay, this is where we now insert our lot sizes, please. This is where I told you people the other day about placing your lot size, taking good care of your lot sizes. So I told you to place a trade. No, now when you want to place a trade, you first determine the lot size as per the other video I gave you. You learn how to calculate lot size from that. Okay, you come here and then you put, let's say you calculated, and you have to enter a lot size of 0. Okay, let's say you have to enter a lot size of 0, 0.01. 0.01 is different from 0.1. Okay, just look, open 0.01 and I've placed a cell. Okay, and then I will go back to the same window and I will open 0. Sorry for that, 0.1, and then I'll place a cell. And then if you look here, you will see that one is different from the other. The other is 0.01 and the following one is 0.10. Okay, this is a very dangerous lot size for any of you to try trading. Okay, they just turn blue. Forget about the one I first placed when I was teaching you something. This one's just turned blue, but the one with 0.10 is at 0.50. Meanwhile, the one with 0.01 is at 0.1. What's the difference? Lot size. Meaning if this was a loss, this one with 0.10 will be losing far more than the one with 0.01. So when you place a trade and it is going blue, you're winning. When it's going red, you're losing. So you people should just follow the video up to now. Let me do a continuation to explain to you how well to use that. Okay, as that thing is flipping into losses, I pray all of it to just enter right now, and then you see what I mean. This one is still blue, but the second it will turn red, it will just go higher than that one. Why? It's a bigger lot size, so you have to be careful with your lot size. This thing right here, I'm talking to you about, it determines the way your trade goes. Okay, you can even enter 10.0 and then blow $10,000 in 2 minutes. Yes, you will lose $10,000 in 2 minutes. So that is it for now. Let me continue in the next video to explain that to you, please.